Happy New Year. I hope you had a great Christmas. This is Tom. This is my 1978 KZ650. Wintertime, so I decided to do some metal work. So what I did over here is I took the panels off, the aluminum plates, because they were all scarred up. And so they had big grooves in here, and we had some big marks here, and we had some marks here from shifting gears, sorry. And this is when we just finished our new gear shift, right, and our new as you've seen, our new pegs. Anyways, to fix this all up and make it look really good, the aluminum, use 360, 400, then wet sand 600, 800, 1000, 115, and 2000. Sand up to it's nice and smooth, and put it on the buffing machine, and then you'll get a new result, which is nice. We did this in a blue. Oh, this part here, we did it. It's hard to see, but that's done in a blue gunmetal, right? So it's nice. We buffed that all up. We made all of this by the steel is all made. Did the best we could. This is the old shifter, which we made. That's the original base for the suspension system, and then we added this on top of it, and the post in the back, and we put the suspension underneath. The cars we did over, and we only had to put a valve in it. It's got about 38,000 kilometers on it. We did the headers, and then we brought it down to the doubles. We did the rims were chrome, and then we powder coated them. Everything's been powder coated on the bike, by the way. It's not been it's painted, but powder coated. Put the Firestone tires on. The gas tanks are actually fire extinguishers. And this here is the center extinguisher, and it's actually like a glove box. See, so you can put your documents, a Mickey if you want, for when you're going away on a trip. The seat, this seat, the leather seat we made, and underneath you can see it's a heavy-duty epoxide, and then we did the foam underneath, and it, as I said, it just clips off like so. So if we want to take it off and clean it, it does, and then there's the foam underneath we put. Right. Now this leather came from a 1950s leather jacket, so we cut the back out and made the seat. And this the back tail light came from a 1940s pickup truck or car, not sure. We did the mirrors, and the mirrors are adjustable, so you can move them anywhere you want when you're driving. Everything else here is original. That's the original speedometer. The tachyling's gone, and our indicators are here. The headlight came from a 1940s fire truck. The ladder trucks, so we did that. This is a new front fender. We cut it down so she would fit. These are the original disc brakes from '78. And this, we just powder coated this like a Ferrari red. And then we got a Porsche disc, and we just put it over top, and we copied the drill marks in it to get the drill marks. Over here, on this side, I've done this one, right? This one's done. Now, I haven't changed, I have to drain the oil and all that stuff, but this one hasn't been done. You can see, you know, it's all faded a bit, and it's got marks and scratches in it. I don't know if you can really see it with the light. But that's coming off next. I'll buff that all up. I've already done these on top, but I'll give them another one for later on. We made the brake system. We made the pedals, right? We made the pedals for it, and you push down and she works fine. All the way back. We did the license plate holder. We use a wrench, welded on the brackets, right? As you can see, there's a suspension of it, and the plate. And then on the back drum, as you can see, which is really hard to see, we drilled it out, and then we put a vent, so air, as it's going, sorry, where the vent goes, the air goes into here to keep the brakes cool, which helps a lot. The battery is underneath, right here. So right there it is there. And we made the bracket for that, and then of course the headers. And you can see a stone chip here. Here, I'll sand that all out later and make it look pretty again. But this is my bike. It took a little time to make. I'd started up, but my wife would kill me. But yeah, so this is my toy. I looked at a lot of bikes to buy, and there was none there I really wanted. So buying this at the Wreckers for $300, it was worth every dime. Anyway, this is Tom. Have a great, nice new year, and I hope you like my KZ650 Cafe Racer. Have a good year. Bye now.